Meet Whispr, a zero-trust, end-to-end encrypted peer-to-peer chat app. Unlike traditional messaging apps, Whispr creates direct connections between users. No central server stores your messages. Let me show you how it works. First, I'll start the signaling server. This server only helps users find each other. It never handles the actual messages. The server is now running. Notice it's only for WebRTC signaling, not message storage. Now let's connect two users. I'll open Whispr in two browser windows to simulate Alice and Bob. Alice is now connected to the signaling server. Bob connects as well. Both users are now registered with the signaling server. Now Alice wants to chat with Bob. She enters Bob's username and starts the chat. Bob automatically accepts. The magic happens now. They're establishing a direct peer-to-peer connection using WebRTC. Perfect! Alice and Bob now have a direct encrypted connection. The server's job is done. Let's see the messaging in action. All messages go directly between Alice and Bob, no server involved. Messages appear instantly because they're traveling directly between users, encrypted by WebRTC's built-in security. Now for the ultimate demonstration of peer-to-peer architecture. Watch what happens when I shut down the signaling server completely. The signaling server is completely offline, but watch this. Incredible! Even with the server completely offline, Alice and Bob can still chat freely. This is the power of true peer-to-peer communication. Here's what happened. The signaling server helped Alice and Bob find each other and exchange connection details. Once the direct WebRTC connection was established, the server became unnecessary. Your messages are encrypted end-to-end, never stored on any server, and flow directly between you and your contact. You might be wondering, what powered that signaling server? Meet Ballerina, a cloud-native programming language designed for integration and networking. This creates our WebSocket endpoint. When users connect to port 9092, Ballerina automatically handles the WebSocket handshake and creates a new service instance. The onOpen function runs when Alice or Bob first connects. It generates a unique ID, stores their connection, and sends that signaling connected message we saw earlier. The onMessage function is the traffic controller. It receives messages from Alice and Bob and routes them based on type. registration, WebRTC offers, answers, or ICE candidates. Each handler function does one job perfectly. This one takes Alice's connection offer and forwards it to Bob. Simple, clean, and reliable. We even added REST APIs for user discovery, all with Ballerina's intuitive syntax. This is why Ballerina excels at building the networking backbone of modern applications like Whispr,